Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Nancy.
And we are the Thin Blue Lane. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Thin Blue Lane. This is going to be an overview of our March budget and a much more optimistic view of our April budget. Thank you for joining us. I hope everybody's well. I hope everybody is healthy. All right, let's get started. Going back to March, see how we did for the budget. We ended up spending about $4,000. So let's look at April's budget. That's what we're here for. We're trying to keep the video short this time and to the point. Quicken is estimating $3,144 in expenses. Let's find out what that's about. All right, auto insurance, we have a budget of $113. That is set correctly. Gas and fuel is $243. That consists of $239 for gasoline. So raise that to $239. And consists of $8 in DEF. That stays the same. And keep in mind we still have $28 built up in there for DEF. Next category, internet is going to be about $18 a month in case I have to hook into a park Wi-Fi. Mobile phones at $110. It says the average is $459. That's because I paid off all our phone equipment right here. And we also lowered when we were in Sticks and Bricks. We had a higher monthly. And because we're retired, we got on the retirement plan and cut our bills down on T-Mobile quite a bit. So you can see that after retirement, we're spending a lot less. So 110. That's for 2 cell phones. Bills and utilities, electric. We average about $79 because if you go to 1,000 trails that charges $3 a day for electric, then you have to pay that. But we're not doing that currently, and I don't expect to be doing that anytime soon. In Florida, we don't run into that a lot, so we're going to zero that out, and that still leaves, sorry, wrong category. We're going to zero that out. It still leaves $63 in the budget for electric, should we have to spend it. Propane, we've been spending an average of $35 a month. Let's leave that at $35 a month. There was already $20 in there, so that leaves us $55 to buy propane with. Entertainment is at 0. If we need that, it's going to come out of savings. Fees and charges is $3. On an average, is that current? It is about 2. So it's about $2 now. Alcohol and bars is zeroed. It was about $43 a month. If you look at, we spent nothing in March and April. Fast food and dining fast food is at 0. We averaged about $192 a month. Look what we used to spend when I was Sticks and Bricks on fast food. And then here is in retirement. Big difference. Right now we're going to leave that at 0. Groceries. We've been spending $654 a month in groceries. If you look at Sticks and Bricks, we've been spending a lot more, and after retirement, a lot less. Now, in here, we do have a third person living with us right now, so that's kind of going up a little bit. But we're still averaging, looks like that the bit worse one right there was $531. So what we're doing is going to average that about $500. We've already spent $367 this month, so we have $133 left to go to the grocery store for the rest of the month. Now, at $367, she did some really good bargain shopping and was able to fill this house with food. There's really no place left to put food in this house. Restaurants, if you see there's $252 in here, is 0 budgeted. We don't really go to restaurants right now, as you can understand why. But if you look, when we were Sticks and Bricks, look at these numbers. There's the highest one here is up around almost $462 restaurants. After retirement, look at that. Much, much better. Okay, then we got fast food, groceries, restaurants, gifts and donations. We do about $138 in gifts to people and donations. But I'm going to put that at about 20 bucks. That leaves us $39 that we can give away to various websites for various things. Health insurance, we are averaging $197. We'll leave that alone. Pharmacy, we're averaging $19 a month. We have $76 built up in there, which we're going to use that because she needs to get her thyroid medicine replaced. Home insurance is about an average of $336. That's back when we were Sticks and Bricks. We're paying quite a bit, almost $500 a month for home insurance, but that has dropped off drastically, as you can see, to about $133. Mortgage is our trailer payment. That is $800 a month. Rent is set for 0 because we live in Thousand Trails. We have 293 built up in there in case we need to go somewhere other than Thousand Trails. Loan payment on the truck is $800 a month. Now keep in mind, I can pay that truck off, but I want to keep the money liquid until YouTube or some other source of income, maybe even helping out Slow Momentum, delivering RV. Anything that brings in extra money. Once I have that established, then I can just pay the truck off and be done with it. But I want to keep money liquid right now. Membership costs are 0. Any kind of Thousand Trails membership costs I come out of savings, so we're not gonna be budgeting that. Personal care, hair, I spend about, this is just me, I spend about $13 a month. I got 20 built up in there, and I've been cutting my own hair, and I'm about to run a razor through this and get rid of this and this, so it doesn't really cost anything to do that. Laundry, we are spending about $22. We have $22 in the budget. I'm not budgeting anything else in there because we used her mom's washer and dryer for a while until we came to Florida. Pet food and supplies, it's averaging about $69. That number comes up a lot, doesn't it? $69 a month. We have 129 built up in there. I'm thinking some of that is in the grocery budget. I'm thinking if she buys dog food at the grocery store and doesn't tell me, it goes into the food budget instead of the dog budget. That's probably why that's 129, and that's why the food budget is probably a little exaggerated too. Shopping, clothing, we spend about $27 a month on clothes, shirts, things like buying shirts for my viewers. And then down here I've got shopping, $32. Let's see what that is. Dollar General, see that's actually groceries. That needs to be changed. So let me go do that real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I fixed it. There's nothing in everything else, and the Dollar General that was miscategorized ended up back up here in groceries right here. So that's now at 400. And if you look, I can go to transactions, and that Walmart and Dollar General show up in there. See, that's some groceries that we spent this month. We still have $100 left, but the average is $654. So what's the bottom line on all of this, guys? Looks like we are at, drum roll please, $3,168 a month is what we spend. Keep in mind that includes $800 a month for the trailer and $800 a month for the truck. And I can pay the truck off, but I want to keep the money liquid until I have another income. Either YouTube starts paying me something, or I start helping out working with Slow Momentum, delivering RVs. That would be a cool job, wouldn't it? My truck is capable of pulling fifth wheel and trailers. It's already set up for it. It's already got the electrical equipment. It's ready to go. Almost a no-brainer, except I don't have a commercial driver's license. I don't know if that's needed or not. So that's it. April's budget is set for $3,168. You can subtract $800 from that if you take out the truck payment, and another $800 once the house is paid off. Okay, guys? That's quick, short, to the point. And as always, we love you guys. Stay safe and healthy. Oh, by the way, yeah, do the subscribe thing and do the yeah, all of this right here. Yeah, there you go. Love you guys very much. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't rung the bell, ring the bell, please.